I'm cooking right now. I'll make some pampano sinigang and I'll fry some. But it's really hurting. So sakit talaga yung side ko. I'm almost crying na sa pain dito. So tomorrow I'll have my CT scan to find out what this is. So hopefully it's not really bad, but nakakaiyak talaga sa sakit. So painful.
Sutter Health Patient Access Center. This is Dominique, and how can I assist you?
Hi Dominique, my name is Mary Valdez. I have a CT scheduled at 2 p.m. today, and I'd like to give my insurance information.
Pre-register. Let me just pull up your records. And what is your phone number?
70.
Today, and check-in time is 1:45. So I will ask you a series of questions to ensure a smooth check-in for the upcoming appointment. And you may have provided some of the information to us before, Mary, but we are just making sure your records are all up to date on behalf of the Sutter Solano Medical Center, okay?
Okay.
So from your husband and your son, do you want to add another contact person?
No, that's okay.
I will check your coverage now, Mary. Just give me a minute.
Mm-hmm.
I'll be right back. I'll put this call on hold now, okay? Thank you.
Okay. That's how it is before you get to the hospital. Ayusin na lahat para pag nandun, diretso na. I'm really sleepy because I took 2 of the meds already and then another one later. Bago ipasok sa tubo. Para hindi ako ma-claustrophobic.
So much, Mary, for patiently waiting.
Mm-hmm.
All right, so as we have verified the insurance, you already met your deductible and out-of-pocket for this calendar year. Hence, the patient liability or estimate is 0. And just a general disclaimer that is not a guarantee of your final bill charges, and estimates are based on the insurance coverage that you have as of today for the services ordered by your doctor or physician. And some of the professional or physician fees, supplies, medications, and devices may not be included, and it would be billed separate. Okay. This will be fully covered, Mary, and please be reminded to bring your insurance card and valid photo ID, okay?
Okay.
And the authorization status has been approved already as of July 1st, so you're all set and good to go. And this will take up the registration. After this call, there's an optional survey based on how I assisted you today, but do you have other concerns or questions?
No, I don't.
All right. Thank you so much for choosing Sutter Health. Have a good day and happy 4th of July.
Mm-hmm.
Bye now.
Same to you. Thank you.
Please rate your satisfaction with your call. For satisfied, press 1. For neutral, press 2. For dissatisfied, press 3.
Bait naman siya eh.
If you would like to leave a recorded message concerning the service you received, after the tone, please record your message. Once you have finished your recording, you may press the pound or hash key to continue.
The rep was very smooth. He knew what he was saying. There was no unnecessary information or questioning. So it went really smoothly. Good job to the rep.
Thank you for your feedback. Goodbye.
Yan. Kung naasikaso ka naman ng rep, I choose to always leave an evaluation. Kasi ganyan kami nun sa call center eh. So yan, at least natapos na akong mag-pre-register. Mr. V will be coming in an hour. Mag-prepare na rin to go to the hospital. I just feel really groggy for the second medicine I took. And I'll take another one pagdating doon. Or pag 1:30. Kaya nakakahilo. But I have to finish all of this para smooth din ang processing sa hospital. good luck sa akin. Sana hindi malala ang findings. God is good. Ayan na, nag-half day si Mr. V kasi I need to go to the hospital for my scans. Nakadalawang gamot na ako kaya ako groggy. Hindi ako makalakad ng straight. Hilong-hilo pa ako. Ay. Ganito talaga. Kasi mag-scan. So hopefully ang results are not too bad. Because of the pain sa side ko. Ito sa ribs. Pagbangon ko, ulaw-ulaw mo. Parang gusto ko mag-wheelchair. Yeah. Di ako. Kaya nga. Pa naman si Mr. V ng breakfast. Pero hindi ako makakakain. After na lang. No eating pala. Before the scan.
Ano yung 1 hour yung sinuscan?
Yeah. Tapos, hour pa na waiting. Kasi yung itutusok yung contrast sa akin. 1 hour na nakatusok. Nakaupo lang ako. No moving, no talking. Talagang nakaganyan ka lang. Kaya siguro yung gamot din na ito will help. Pasok na muna, Garda ko. I'll change na. Enjoy your lunch. Te-play naman yan eh. Tubig lang muna tayo. Just need water before the scans. Tapos talagang nahihilo. Kaya they had to give me this medicine na pang pa-drowsy, lorazepam. Kasi nga may claustrophobic ako. I cannot get into the tubes without feeling really nervous. So, 3 noon kagabi, isa ngayon, tas isa mamaya. So, talagang groggy na. Pero hindi matutulog dahil hindi naman pwedeng nakatulog pag nagsascan. And I can't drive going. I can't drive coming back. Kaya nag-half day si Mr. V. Ayan, tubig-tubig lang muna tayo. Good luck to us. Just waiting for Mr. V. Groggy na talaga ako. So, isa pang gamot. And then later, sigurado babagsak na. And then, after the contrast will be injected to me, I have to stay still for an hour. No talking. So, I need my earphones para lang to listen to music. So, that's the procedure. After an hour, then ipapasok na sa tube. This is my 3rd or 4th time. Kaya I need this meds kasi the last time I did not take any medicines and it looked like I was going to die sa nervyos because of my claustrophobia. Okay, we'll see what's going to happen later. Saturday Solano at meron pang dumarating na ambulance. Dalhin dito. Diyan ako sa scan. Trailer na yan. He needs to get a visitor's pass. Hindi niya alam, kanina pa sana. Nung papasok na kami, saka siya hinanapan. And we are going to follow the yellow brick road. Yung kalimutan niya ang visitor tag mo. Visitor ka lang naman.
Road.
Habang hinihintay namin ang aking technician.
Maturog sa bakit.
Nakakaantok eh.
Oo, nakatok nga rin ako.
Done with the CT scan. Na-over lang yung gamot ko kasi hindi naman pala ako in MRI today. So, overdose ako dun sa pang-pa-drowsy. Kaya para akong lasing. And I didn't know naman it won't take more than 30 minutes. So, umalis si Mr. V. Kala niya siguro for an hour. Now I'm walking. Hindi naman smooth. para maarawan. So hindi ako ngayon yung ninenervyos while in the tube kasi nga nakapaggamot ako. Pero na-over ako nun ng gamot. Kaya hilo-hilo pa ako yun. Hintayin ko na lang si Mr. V dito. This guy naman paikot-ikot dito kasi magde-deliver ng Starbucks. Ayaw naman tanggapin ng card. So, ang ginagawa niya, ikot siya ng ikot, nag-aabang siguro nung may matapatan siyang ibang guard. Wala, sayang na yung kwan niya. Gas niya, malamig na yung mga kape na dala niya. Wawa man. Ako nag-aantay kay Mr. Ito naman mamang Tom. Kanina lang nandyan ay security na siya. Hinihintay niya siguro lumabas yung nag-order sa kanya kasi pinaalis siya ng cartoon sa taas. Good luck.
Just to take one of my picture when I'm leaning on my car, just take one picture.
Okay.
Just
Alright. Okay, pipicturean ko daw siya. Yun na, nakuha na yung order dun. Just sitting here, waiting for Mr. V. Nice naman yung weather. Not too hot, and it's windy. I like it. Pero nahihilo nga lang ako, so I can't walk around. Ayan. Kasi I haven't eaten, tapos I took pills for drowsiness. The scan was fast. Hindi ko akalain kasi I was expecting an MRI. Pero nagawa is just the chest CT. Praying na hindi naman malala ang aking kalagayan. Nandun siya sa taas. Andun si Mr. V, nandito naman ako sa baba. Dali na. Na lang ako. Sa taas. Pumunta eh. Sa baba mo ako sinusundo.
Hindi, nakita ko kasi mas ano to eh, patient na po po.
Ay, naghihintay ako dun sa baba.
So, paano makikita yung diferensya ng ano mo kung
City nga eh.
Akala-
Chest city.
chest?
Dito, buong ito. Pinasok, pasok, pasok, labas, pasok, labas.
Akala ko mas ano ang MRI, parang ganon.
Yeah.
Eh, di ba dati CT scan naman yung ano sa'yo?
Tapos na ang scan, pero groggy pa rin. Na-overdose. And contrast. And thank you sa paghatid at sundo, Mr. V.
Anytime, Mrs. B.
Yeah, kasi sa ganitong mga sitwasyon, hindi ko talaga pwedeng mag-drive. Dahil ang tukis. Ang daming downers na binigay. So, ang solusyon, itulog. Kape muna ako, baka makontra yung aking pagka-hilo. Pantok. Baka sakaling makapagtrabaho pa. Ayan, I'll try to eat. Pero bumabagsak talaga yung mata ko. I just need some energy. And hopefully, pag nawala yung antok ko dahil sa aking kape, I can go back to work. Pero, doctor said to rest muna din. You know. Ay. So, we'll see. Sabi, drink lots and lots of water para ma-flush yung contrast. So, isang baso naman na ako. Tapos, makulit na yung customers ko. So, balik lang ako sa desk ko, okay? Nakakuhan din tayo ha. 4 na oras na idlip. So, balik muna ako dun. Back to work. So, my CT was done. We'll wait for results in 2 to 3 days. Hopefully, this back of mine won't hurt that bad anymore while waiting for it. Hopefully, it's not bad. We slept because I had 3 pills. Drowsy. Pang pa-drowsy. Pero it was OA kasi CT lang pala. Akala ko MRI, which the doctor said. So, effect nung pangpatulog, talagang para akong lasing. But I had to get up after 3 hours of idlip because I have to go back to work. Work muna tayo para meron tayong pagbayad sa CT. Ayun, so, everything's well. Okay naman. So far, hindi pa siya sumasakit ng ganun katindi ngayon. So, hoping for the best. Need your prayers. And for all of those Philexians, I've heard na they left na. Nagpasalangit na sila. Bless their souls and hope that they're happy, they're reunited with their loved ones too. Prayers for them as well. Thank you. Kailangan pa rin mag-work. It's almost 9 p.m. Life is like that. Makalat pa ang office pero okay na kasi alas 10 na. Magtupi naman tayo ng nilabahan. Hanggat kaya, may pag-asa.